In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people from Slack. This is really useful if someone has left your team, changed roles, or simply shouldn't have access to your workspace anymore. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Slack and make sure you're in the correct workspace. In the top left corner, you'll see your workspace name. This is usually the name of your company or team. Go ahead and click on that workspace name. This opens a menu that contains most of your main settings and admin tools. From that menu, you're looking for the option called Tools and Settings. When you hover over or click that, you'll see a few more options appear. Choose Manage Members. This is where you can see everyone who currently has access to your Slack workspace. Keep in mind that you'll need to have the right permissions, such as being an owner or admin, to see and use these options. Once you're on the Manage Members page, you'll see a list of all the people in your workspace. There's usually a search bar at the top, which is helpful if you have a large team. Start typing the name or email of the person you want to remove, and Slack will narrow down the list for you. When you've found the correct person, look to the right of their name. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots. This is where Slack gives you different options for managing that individual member. In this menu, you'll see choices like Remove from Workspace or Deactivate Account. These sound similar, but they have slightly different impacts, and it's important to pick the one that matches what you want to do. If you choose Remove from Workspace, you're essentially taking away their access to this specific Slack workspace. If they were in multiple workspaces, this action only affects the one you're managing right now. If you select Deactivate Account, Slack will sign them out and remove them from all channels in that workspace. They won't be able to log back in unless you reactivate them later. Their past messages and files stay in Slack for record keeping, but they'll no longer appear as an active member. Once you make your choice, Slack may ask you to confirm the action. Review it carefully, then confirm. And that's it. You've successfully removed that person from your Slack workspace.